As one door closes, another one opens. A judge today approving the sale of Hudson's Bay trademarks to Canadian Tire. It means you may soon be seeing those iconic stripes sold right here.
This is sort of the silver lining on a dark cloud.
Judge Peter Osborne allowing the $30 million deal to move forward Tuesday, saying it makes sense given the circumstances. Aside from the stripes, Canadian Tire will also have the rights to the Bay name and its coat of arms.
You know, you look at Canadian Tire, their whole business is Canada, and they touch so many different Canadians through their different banners. So I don't think, I think it's a great spot for the brand to land.
Court documents show the deal also includes phrases like Bay Days and Zeller's signature slogan, "The lowest price is the law." The court approval comes months after Canada's oldest retailer first filed for creditor protection, and just 2 days after it closed all of its 96 stores across the country. More than 8,300 Hudson's Bay employees, about 89% of its workforce, have already lost their jobs, with just a small percentage left to wrap up operations. On Tuesday, Judge Osborne also granted a federal relief order that would allow eligible employees to access some benefits.
Employees are unsecured creditors. So often employees are left with nothing, with no severance, which can be disastrous, right? So the government, I think it's over the last few years, came up with a new program that allows employees in such circumstance to apply for some compensation, and it's up to $8,800.
It's not yet clear how soon eligible employees could receive payments. The details on how it will be carried out through Service Canada, with such a large number of impacted workers, are still being ironed out. The court hearing also saw the judge approve a receivership application for a joint real estate venture that Hudson's Bay was part of.
And it's sort of like a cleanup, a wrap-up, if you will, of all the outstanding issues. It allows everyone to move forward.
The deal with Canadian Tire will likely close in the next few weeks. In the meantime, Hudson's Bay Company also owns thousands of pieces of art and artifacts, which it hopes to sell at auction. That auction is subject to a separate court approval. For City News, I'm Natividad.